How to share Instagram story as WhatsApp status. 2026 full guide. Want to share your Instagram story on WhatsApp status without posting it again manually. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure your story is already posted. If you haven't posted it yet, create your story first. Step 1. Open your Instagram story, go to your profile picture at the top of Instagram and tap it to open your active story. Find the story you want to share on WhatsApp. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the bottom or top corner of the story. Tap the three dots More option. This opens more sharing options. Step 3. Save the story to your phone. Tap Save photo or save video depending on your story type. This downloads the story to your gallery so you can use it on WhatsApp. Instagram does not directly post stories to WhatsApp automatically, so saving first is the easiest method. Step 4. Open WhatsApp now. Open the WhatsApp app. Go to the Updates tab or Status section depending on your version. Step 5. Tap Add Status. Tap the camera icon or Add Status button. Choose the saved photo or video from your gallery. Step 6. Edit if needed. You can add text, emojis, stickers, captions before posting. This helps make your WhatsApp status look even better. Step 7. Tap Send. Tap the green Send button. Your Instagram story is now posted as your WhatsApp status. Bonus method. Share directly using Facebook Story. If your Instagram is connected to Meta accounts like Facebook, you may see cross-posting options for Facebook Stories. But for WhatsApp status, manual saving and uploading is still the most reliable method in 2026. Important note: if your Instagram story uses licensed music, sometimes the music may not transfer correctly after saving. In that case, you may need to add music again manually inside WhatsApp if available. And that's it. Now you know how to share your Instagram story as WhatsApp status quickly and easily. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you sharing photos, videos, or music stories most often?